Meeting is being recorded.
They're not muted. They're all muted. ठीक है, सगळे muted हैं. मी mute all केलेलं पण ते.
Hello.
Hello, I can hear.
Just a minute.
Sushma
ji,
थोड़े muted है, थोड़े unmute है.
But you can unmute yourself, no?
Please unmute, yeah.
Yeah. Now we can unmute ourselves.
Yes.
Hello.
बेला तू परत सगळ्यांना म्यूट केलंय.
Yes. Bela, तू परत म्यूट केलंय सगळ्यांना, but it is okay. Now we can unmute
Now we
ourselves.
can unmute.
Yeah, we can unmute ourselves. No?
Yeah, when you are starting the meeting, you mute everyone.
Exactly.
But please don't unmute yourself unless it is necessary.
Exactly.
And
Correct.
especially when the games are there, please don't unmute yourself.
Okay, now shall we start? 4:30.
Now we can start.
Yes, please start now.
Yeah.
Sapna, how are you? Anju, how are you?
Fine.
Thank you.
सपना इतना सीरियस चेहरा क्यों बना के खड़ी हो?
अंजू happy birthday.
Priyanka, you're looking very pretty, Priyanka.
Thank you.
As
everybody. Hello,
Priyanka.
Hi.
Hi everyone.
Okay, I request everyone to keep your videos on.
Okay.
Keep your videos on. Yeah. We have a surprise coming up at the end of the meeting, okay? So don't.
No, you should tell surprise before only.
No,
I know, yeah. Now it's enough of suspense.
That doesn't
Shall we begin? Shall we begin?
Yeah, please start.
Good evening, one and all. I, Priyanka Shah, welcome you all to this beautiful evening, Shame Dosti. An evening with all our Innerwheel friends to celebrate and cheer our friendship. It is said, true friends are never apart, maybe in distance, but never in heart. Wow, how meaningful it is. Friendship is a bond between individuals based on mutual thoughts or mindset. A real friend guides, directs, and tries to bring out the best and positive. A hand of friendship can come to you in any way. This pandemic has already shown us.
Unmute किया है. Your voice is getting echoed. Is it getting echoed for everyone?
Now it stopped.
Yes, Bella, it was echo for everyone. Somebody's another device is on. Somebody's another device is on.
Is it okay?
No, the echo is there.
No. Priyanka, have you logged in from two devices?
No, only one device. Only one device.
Is there Bluetooth connection hai, Priyanka?
No. Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Shall we begin? I think it's proper now.
Okay.
Yeah.
A hand of friendship can come to you in any way. This pandemic has already shown us, isn't it? But today, we are celebrating a special bond which we carry together in every good and bad times as we rise to serve the society. My friends, I once again welcome you all for this beautiful evening, Shame Dosti. Stay tuned to enjoy. I request everyone to keep your videos on as we have a surprise coming up in a while. I also need your cooperation if any technical issue occurs during this meeting. Proceeding further, I request Club President Dr. Sushma Shetty to greet everyone with a warm welcome. Hi everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
Dear members, it's always a pleasure to welcome you all. Today, we are celebrating Friendship Day.
Who is a friend?
Sorry to interrupt you again, Echo.
Yeah, it's again there's a problem.
Savita is sitting with you. If her mobile or nothing.
Okay, now okay?
Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I'll begin, huh? So I welcome you all to today's Friendship Day event. Talking about a friend. Who is a friend? A friend is one who fights for you, who respects you, who includes you, who encourages you, needs you, delights you, and stands by you. Here's wishing you all a very happy Friendship Day. Club ISO Mamta Jain, Revati Hattargi, and her team have been working very hard to make today's event a grand success. I congratulate Mamta for organizing this wonderful event. She has coordinated and involved many members of our club. So friends, relax, stay tuned, and enjoy Shaam Mein Dosti. Have a nice time. Over to MOC, Priyanka.
Thank you, President.
Yeah.
Now I request Club ISO Mamta Jain to speak a few words about today's gathering.
Thank you, Priyanka. Good evening, everybody. Happy Friendship Day to one and all. Friends give us every reason to smile, and they spread the fragrance of love in our life. In friendship, what only matters is the beauty of one's heart. No past, no creed. It is an apt topic for me, as few years ago, I had so much of stage fear that I could not even talk to you all like how I can talk today. I owe it to all my friends who have supported me and converted my weaknesses into my strengths. Some close friends with time become family. Such friends should be cherished and celebrated, like our Innerweal family. I'm thankful for this precious bond and just spending time. Bela, you have to mute all. Shall I start? Oh. Such friends should be cherished and celebrated like our Innerweal family. I'm thankful for this precious bond, and just spending time with them makes everything seemingly better. So friends, let's celebrate our Friendship Day with lots of fun. To celebrate this day, we have come up with some heartwarming short messages, beautiful songs relating to friendship, a twinning competition, all by our dear members for you, and few games for you all. Lastly, I would like to thank all the Innerweal members for their active participation and enthusiasm for the photo competition. I would also like to extend my thanks to the members who sent the speech and song videos on a single call. Hope you will all have a great time. Thank you.
Thank you, Mamta. Let us enjoy the bonding of friendship and solidarity by our own friends of Innerweal Club.
इनरवेल की इस दुनिया में हम सबको हंसना सिखाते हैं, कदम कदम पर साथ निभाकर सही राह दिखलाते हैं। इनरवेल की इस दुनिया में हम सबको हंसना सिखाते हैं, कदम कदम पर साथ निभाकर सही राह दिखलाते हैं। से हम सब अलग जुनून है, हर एक दिल में है प्यार। सबसे बेहतर, सबसे सुंदर अपना ये संसार। खास है हम सब अलग जुनून है, हर एक दिल में है प्यार। सब सबसे बेहतर सबसे सुंदर अपना ही संसार। Walk together for happiness. Spread the joy and oneness.
दोस्ती तो झोंका है एक हवा का, दोस्ती तो नाम है एक वफा का। औरों के लिए चाहे कुछ भी हो, लेकिन मेरे लिए तो हंसी तोहफा है ये खुदा का। तो चलिए दोस्तों, दोस्ती की एक सफर शाम दोस्ती के नाम। I request Revati to present the heartwarming messages by our members.
Thank you, Priyanka. Hello, friends. Here I present past district chairman Lata Kittur, a multifaceted person, the pillar of our club. Lata Tai is extremely friendly and blend with any age group and make them more comfortable. Always willing to give a helping hand.
Hello. Friends, they say, are your chosen family. So choose your friends and let your friends choose you. And when you have a friend, age, caste, sex, religion, nothing matters. Actually, you can have friends among animals, and nature can be your friend too. For a friend is a friend is a friend. And if your friends include your family, that is heaven itself. I thank God every day for all my friends, from the family I was born into, from the family I was married into, for the friends I have chosen, and for the friends who have chosen me. Fare you well, my friends.
Yes, I agree. Nature and animals can become our best friends. Lata Tai, you are the best. Thank you. Here I present past president, Dr. Geeta Kittur. Geeta Tai is an extremely warm and loving person. She is dentist by profession and with a whole lot of creativity. Multi-talented person, past president, Dr. Geeta Tai Kittur.
Hi friends, it is very difficult to put into words or say anything about friendship. I am lucky that I am still in contact with my childhood friends and professional colleagues. It's not important what we have in life, but who we have in our life. Of course, our dear friends. My true friends are like diamonds, brighter, beautiful, valuable, and always in style. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Love you all, my Innerville friends. Bye.
It's so true, Geeta Tai. The best friend is the one who brings out the best in you. Such an inspiring words. Thank you. Here I present past president Sanjeevani Saraf. She is very creative and graceful lady. We all know her for her beautiful flower arrangements. So here I present before you a talented person, past president Sanjeevani Saraf.
Hello friends. They say that you cannot choose your parents, but you can definitely choose your friends. Friendship greetings to all of you. Friends, friendship is a lovely bond to be cherished and treasured. There's nothing like having a heart-to-heart chat with your dear friends or going out for an outing with your lovelies. Life would be dull and lonely without friends, and I am very happy to have been blessed with all my dear Innerville friends. So let's enjoy this day with warmth and joy.
Yes, Sanjeevani ji. Life would be dull and lonely without friends. We just can't imagine life without friends. Thank you. Here I present past president Maithili Vatve. She is very graceful and talented lady. She writes beautiful articles, poems, and shairis. She loves to travel and explore places. Our past president, Maithili Tai Vatve.
नमस्कार, मैं मैथिली वाटवे फ्रेंडशिप डे की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं देते हुए एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मेरी सहेली, प्यारी सहेली, बचपन में तू अल्लड़ सी, यौवन में तू तितली सी, कभी नवेली दुल्हन सी, कभी बुजुर्ग बरगद सी, पल पल याद आती मुझको, ना कभी खोना चाहूं तुझको, मन में है बस एक ही आस, बना रहे तेरा मेरा साथ। थैंक यू।
Wow, such a lovely poem on friends and friendship. Thank you, Maithili Tai. Here I present Shobha Doddanawar. She is very energetic, enthusiastic, and beautiful person. Very systematic in what all she does. She is a good organizer. She is active member of Jito. She is our Shobha Tai Doddanawar.
हॅलो माय डिअर फ्रेंड्स. फ्रेंडशिप मैत्री म्हटलं आणि मला आठवला निसर्ग. का कसं सांगू. बरं बघा ना, फुलं किती सुंदर जिवंत कलर्सची. मन जुळली की मैत्री सुद्धा अशीच सुंदर कलरफुल बनते बरं. आणि फळं जगातल्या कुठल्याही हाताला ह्यांची चव येऊच शकत नाही, पण मैत्रिणीमध्ये हा गोडवा असतो बरं. मध्ये ना मी एक मोठा वेल पाहिला, उंच मोठ्या झाडाला वेढलेला व फुलांनी बहरलेला. आपला इनरव्हील क्लब ही असाच. आपण साऱ्या फुलं आणि सर्वांना मैत्रीने घट्ट बांधून ठेवलंय या क्लब रूपी वेलीने. चला तर मग हा मैत्रीचा सोहळा सेलिब्रेट करूया पुष्पवृष्टीने. फ्रेंड्स, प्रत्यक्ष भेटीत प्रत्येकीने मला तुमचा हात द्यायचा बरं, मैत्रीचा. थँक्यू.
Wow, such an amazing thought on friendship. Beautiful presentation of flowers. Creative way of showering flowers. Thank you, Shobha Tai. Over to you, Priyanka.
Thank you, Revati. Friends, I would like to sing a few lines. यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना. Wow, what a feeling. So many ways to express friendship. Some of our inner wheel friends have expressed their feelings in their songs. Revati, please take us on a melodious tour.
She is evergreen and ever smiling lady, always ready to help others, extremely organized, and a great asset to our club. And this charming lady is our past president, Sunita Hanamshet.
This song is dedicated to all my Innerville friends. कोई जब राह दिखाए मेरे संग गाए के पग पग दीप जलाए. मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार.
Wow, lovely voice and lovely song. It was so melodious. Thank you, Sunita Tai. Here I present Bhavna ji. She is such a friendly and fun-loving and enthusiastic lady. Always she participates in everything.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। अरे तेरी जीत मेरी जीत, तेरी हार मेरी हार, सुन ए मेरी यार। तेरा गम मेरा गम, तेरी जान मेरी जान, ऐसा अपना प्यार। जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे। जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे। सबसे दुश्मनी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे। तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
Beautiful.
Thank you for lovely song and we can make out कितने दिल से गाया है आपने. Thank you भावना. Next is a beautiful song by a beautiful person with lovely sweet voice. She is always composed, extremely creative and dedicated in all that she does. It's our Urmi Sheregar.
इनरव्हील के चमन में सभी फूल प्यारे हैं, लेकिन खुशबू उन्हीं की ले पाती हूँ जो मिलते हैं महीने में एक बार किटी के बहाने।
लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, जैसे खिलता गुलाब, जैसे शायर का ख्वाब, जैसे उजली किरण, जैसे बन में हिरन, जैसे चांदनी रात, जैसे नरमी की बात, जैसे मंदिर में हो एक जलता दिया। एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा।
Happy Friendship Day to all of you.
Thank you, Urmi, for sharing such an innovative and colorful video. Thank you. Here I present a person full of enthusiasm. She is kind-hearted and helpful to everyone. She has amazing personality and she is हमारी प्यारी प्यारी बेला जी.
छू न सकूं आसमां को तो कोई गम नहीं, छू सकूं दोस्तों के दिलों को ये आसमां से कोई कम नहीं। एक नज़म दोस्ती के नाम। दौलत और जवानी एक दिन खो जाती है, सच कहता हूँ सारी दुनिया दुश्मन हो जाती है। उम्र भर दोस्त लेकिन साथ चलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं, दिए जलते हैं।
Wow, Bella, that was so graceful and melodious. Thank you. Pretty, and she is our Preeti, a bhandar of talent, a great writer and a poet. Such a knowledgeable person she is, always smiling and creative. Our club editor, Preeti Chindar.
हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, हॅपी फ्रेंडशिप डे. मैत्र आहे सूत्र जीवनाचे, नाते हे पवित्र मिलनाचे. मैत्रीच्या हळव्या स्पर्शाने फुलते, नात्यांच्या बंधात धुंद मोहरते. मैत्रीच्या हळव्या स्पर्शाने खुलते, नात्यांच्या बंधात धुंद मोहरते, मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते, मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे गुज पावसाचे, का होते बेभान कसे गहिवरते, मन उधाण वाऱ्याचे. Thank you.
Thank you, Preeti, for lovely song with sweet voice. Thank you. Over to you, Priyanka.
Thank you, Revati. A good friend is a reflection of yourself, and hence we came up with this idea of twinning competition. Let us have a look at the pictures shared by the participants.
लोगों को आते हैं दो नजर, हम मगर देखो दो नहीं, ओ जुदा या खफा खुदा है दुआ ऐसा हो नहीं, खाना पीना साथ है, मरना जीना साथ है, खाना पीना साथ है, मरना जीना साथ है, सारी जिंदगी ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे. मेरी जीत तेरी जीत तेरी हार मेरी हार, सुन ले मेरे यार, तेरा गम मेरा गम, मेरी जान तेरी जान, ऐसा अपना प्यार, जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे, जान पे भी खेलेंगे, तेरे लिए ले लेंगे, सबसे दुश्मन ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे, ये दोस्ती हम नहीं.
Wonderful, huh? Very nice.
We are so happy to see the enthusiasm of our members. Proud to announce that we have received 32 entries and by our District ISO Vasundhara Kole ma'am. And results will be announced during second GB meeting that is on 11th of August. Hey friends, don't leave your seats. It's time for some more fun and entertainment. We will be playing some interesting games. Now I will hand over to Priyanka.
Thank you, Reti. I hope everyone has kept their videos on, as we have a surprise hamper at the end of the meet. So friends, let's get up for a quick fun puzzles. Yes, you have to be really quick to guess the puzzles and quickly type your answer in chat box. The one who answers first with the correct answer will be the winner. Also noted, no.
Priyanka, ask everybody.
Is it fine now?
Huh.
The one who answers first with the correct answer will be the winner. And no same winners will be repeated. I request all my friends to participate. We want the maximum number of friends to play the game. Okay? So the puzzles will be related to Jingle of Fire, name of our Inavil friends, and dialogues from the movie. So here we begin. The first jingle is हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है, हर एक फ्रेंड जरूरी होता है. Write your answers in the chat box. Our jury is correcting the answers, okay? Who's the winner?
And the correct answer is Airtel. And the winner is past president Dr. Sonal Dhamankar. Congratulations, Sonalji.
We have a second jingle. यही है right choice, baby. Aha. यही है right choice, baby. Aha. Who's the first one?
And the correct answer is Pepsi. And the winner is Manva. Congratulations, Manva.
Okay, let's move to the third one. Hema, Rekha, Jaya और सुषमा. Ina, Medha, सुषमा और सविता.
Question order Nirma.
Please type the answer in the chat box. Don't unmute yourself.
And the correct answer is Nirma. And the winner is Mrs. Divya Mohta. Congratulations, Divya.
Okay, the next jingle. दीवारों को जब सजाना हो, घर की रौनक जगाना हो. Winners will not be repeated. We want new winners.
Nerolac.
Who's the first one to answer?
Correct answer is Nerolac, and the winner is Tejaswini Hazare, as Manva was first, but we are not going to repeat the winners. So Tejaswini Hazare, congratulations, Tejaswini.
Okay. Next puzzle. बुलंद भारत की बुलंद तस्वीर.
हमारा बजाज.
Everyone is so quick.
Correct answer is yes, of course, Hamara Bajaj, and the winner is Urmi Sherigar. Congratulations, Urmi.
You're all playing well. So shall we move on to the next puzzles? We go ahead with the next puzzles, and we will be displaying few names of our Innerville friends, which you have to guess it correct and type it in the chat box. Please don't unmute yourself. So the first name is guess the name of a friend, our club friend.
The correct answer is Varsha, and the winner is past President Dr. Asawari's son. Congratulations, Asavari Tai.
Congrats. The second name, here it comes.
Hello.
Who's the first one to answer?
Correct answer is Maki auntie, and the winner is Sandhya Sherigar. Congratulations, Sandhya.
Okay. Next name, please. Who is this? Looking forward for new winners.
And the correct answer is Shruti, and the winner is Anju. Congratulations, Anju.
Can we have the next name?
What? खावा की असं काय ते
Quick answers. Who's the winner?
The correct answer is Ratna. Yes, our DC, Ratnadi. And the winner is Manali Deshpande. Congratulations, Manali.
Please mute yourself, everyone. We have the next name coming up. Who is this?
Lata. Please don't talk.
Please mute yourself.
The correct answer is yes, our own lovely PDC Lata Tai. And the winner is Yogini. Congratulations, Yogini.
All are so fast and furious.
Yes.
Now we have our last 5 puzzles to go, and that will be the dialogues from the movie.
Please don't announce mute. Let everybody mute themselves. Unmute करतात परत.
Yeah, please mute yourself, or else you won't be qualified. Okay, I shall narrate the dialogue from the movie, and you shall guess the answer. Same, you have to type the answers in the chat box. Again, looking for the new winners. So here comes the first dialogue. दोस्त फेल हो जाए तो दुख होता है, लेकिन अगर दोस्त फर्स्ट आ जाए तो बहुत दुख होता है. We want new winners.
Correct answer is movie name is Three Idiots. And the winner is Vice President Shalini Chaugule. Congratulations, Shalini.
Okay. Next dialogue. दोस्ती का एक उसूल है मैडम, नो सॉरी नो थैंक यू.
The correct answer is movie name is मैंने प्यार किया. And the winner is First President Mrs. Swati Upadhyay. Congratulations, Swati Tai.
नेक्स्ट वन. या तो दोस्ती गहरी है या तो फोटो 3D है. या तो दोस्ती गहरी है या तो फोटो 3D है.
The correct movie is Dil Chahta Hai. And the winner is Pushpanjali Mukkanavar. Congratulations, Pushpanjali.
The next one. जब राजेश्वर दोस्ती निभाता है तो अफसाने लिखे जाते हैं और जब दुश्मनी करता है तो तारीख बन जाती है. Ilu Ilu, yeah.
The correct movie name is, yes, it's Saudagar. And the winner is Mrs. Sapna Joshi. Congratulations.
Last puzzle. सच्चे दोस्त वही होते हैं जो अच्छे वक्त में आपकी बजाते हैं और जब मुश्किल वक्त आता है तो वही दोस्त आपके दरवाजे पर खड़े नजर आते हैं.
And the correct movie name is Chichore. And the winner is Mrs. Leena Shah. Congratulations, Leena. So congratulations to all winners.
Friends, here ends the game. Time has come for the surprise hamper. As the theme was yellow, the color symbolizes friendship. So today's glittering star will be announced by our president, Dr. Sushma Shetty.
Just a minute, huh?
Yeah. Shall I?
Yes. Go on.
Yes.
So, good evening, friends. It was a very nice and a lovely evening. I hope you all enjoyed it. And I want to congratulate ISO Mamta and the team, that is Priyanka, Revati, Preeti and Bela. You have all done a very good job. Now coming to the surprise, star of the evening is none other than Tejaswini Hazare. Can you spotlight her, Tejaswini? Tejaswini Hazare is the winner or the star of the evening. Bella, can you spotlight Teju?
Yes.
Yeah. Teju, please stand. Let's see what you're wearing.
Thank you so much.
We had a special judge and they have
view. Full view.
Yes.
Congratulations, Tejaswini.
Thank you.
Yeah, congrats.
You are looking beautiful.
I also enjoyed today's evening.
Bella, can you spotlight Teju?
I did. Want to see her again? Wait.
Yeah, please, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
I was busy typing the message.
Teju, now you need to walk the ramp with your mobile.
Yes, please walk.
Teju, stay standing only. Teju, stay standing only.
अरे stand and पूरा दिखा ना, पूरा वैसे दूर कर, हाथ दूर कर.
पूरा नहीं हो रहा है वो.
Congratulations, Teju.
Thank you.
इसको focus करो. Focus on Teju.
Yes.
Very nice.
Very
So pretty. Very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dressed up for the occasion.
You have taken, I think you have taken most
Congratulations,
papers to get ready.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Now the prizes for the twinning competition. It was a tough game, you know, twinning competition. So many participants. And Mamta?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah. I'll be announcing it in GB.
Yes, yes. Mamta had to take the help of district ISO.
Yeah.
And so on the 11th of August, during our GB meet, Mamta will announce the prizes. And so friends, that's the end of today's program. We do have a vote of thanks, but please do attend our GB meeting on 11th. 4 o'clock we start, and 4 to 4:30 is snacks, and 4:30 sharp we will start the meeting, because it's a closed door meeting and a lot of things to be discussed. And by 5:30 we will finish the meeting. 5:30 to 6 we have a small again friendship game by Mamta. Please do come on time. Thank you. Now over to, I think, MOC, Priyanka.
Thank you, Sushmanti. Congratulations to all the winners and participants. Friends, here ends our evening, but our friendship will go on forever. It was definitely a refreshing evening. Hope you all had a great time. Thanks for staying with us and making this evening Shaam Dosti a hit. I request Club Secretary Dr. Savita Kaddu to give away vote of thanks.
Thank you, Priyanka. मैत्री. मैत्री एक सोपी व्याख्या आहे. तुला म्हणतात रोज आठवण यावी असं काही नाही, रोज भेट व्हावी असं काही नाही, एवढंच कशाला रोज बोलणं व्हावं असंही काही नाही, पण मी तुला विसरणार नाही ही झाली खात्री, आणि तुला याची जाणीव असणं ही झाली मैत्री. शेवटी काय हो, भेटी नाही झाल्या तरी गाठी बसणं महत्वाचं. ज्याने हे जाणलं त्याने माणसातलं माणूस पण जाणला. तर माझ्या सर्व इनरव्हील मैत्रिणींना मैत्री दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. On behalf of Innerville Club of Belgaum, I would like to thank ISO Mamta Jain for arranging this beautiful Shaam Dosti. I also thank Priyanka Shah, Revati Hattarki, Bela Shivalkar, and editor Priti Chindak for taking lots of effort to conduct this event flawlessly. Thank you all. दोस्त मैथ्स नहीं जो कैलकुलेट किए जाए, दोस्त साइंस नहीं जो एक्सपेरिमेंट किया जाए, दोस्त तो वो कोलावरी सॉन्ग है जो ना समझ आए फिर भी एंजॉय किया जाए. तो आज का ये कोलावरी सॉन्ग एंजॉय करने के लिए हमें मदद करने वाले अपने सारे सीनियर पिलर्स, अपने सारे IWC मेंबर्स जिन्होंने अपना योगदान दिया ये इवेंट सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए, उन सबका मैं धन्यवाद करती हूँ. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, I thank all the club members for attending this event in large numbers. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Savita Dey. I, Priyanka Shah, signing off for today. Have a beautiful time. Good night.
Very nicely conducted, Priyanka.
Thank you. Very nice. Very nice.
Very well done. Very well done. Really well thought out.
Enjoyed a lot. Friendship Day could be celebrated online in such a fantastic way.
Wonderful celebration of friendship. Nicely said poems. Savita, very nicely
Congratulations,
said poems.
team.
All the songs nice, meeting nice. Mamta, very nice.
Mamta, congratulations.
Thank you so much. It is a team work. It is a team.
Mamta, congratulations, Mamta, Priyanka.
Wonderful program.
Yes.
Very well done, Mamta.
Very well done.
Congratulations,
Mamta, Bela,
Priyanka, Revati,
Priyanka,
all of you have done a great
Preeti, Sushma, all congratulations.
So well online. Hats off to all of you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. See you all.
So meet you all on 11th of August.
Shushma, can you please announce about the 3 days of breastfeeding awareness program?
Yes, yes. Now tomorrow, friends, we have breastfeeding awareness program at Progrewadi Family Center, 10 o'clock, no? 10 o'clock, and then on Friday it is at Keli Yelloor, again at 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Saturday it is at SPI near Hindwadi at 10 o'clock. Please do join us, okay? Yes. Thank you, friends. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye-bye. See you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Very short and sweet, huh, Priyanka? And Mamta,
Yes,
very beautifully conducted. Very proud of
Very
you.
nice conducted program.
Shall I end the meeting?
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you all.
Bye, Mamta.
Bye. Thank you all.